We have this problem 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equal to 148. We have to find a, b and values of c. So let's see how we can do this. Let's factor this first. So what 148, let's factor it. Let's divide it by 2, it becomes 74. Let's again divide it by 2, 37. So the factors of 48 are 2 times 2 times 37. Let's see this term. Take out 2a. Inside it becomes 1 plus 2b divided by 2a plus 2c divided by 2a. And let's write this factor 2 multiplied by 2, we can write this as 2 power 2 multiplied by 37. Now let's look at this equation. We have two factors here and we have two factors here. We can easily equate these two and find the value of a. We will not try to equate 2 power a to 37 because that way we will not be able to find a. So the simplest thing we can do is equating 2 to the power a to 2 power 2, and that gives us a is equal to 2. So that way we have found that a equals to 2, and now we will substitute a equal to 2 in the equation. Now we can divide both side by 2 power, cancel out these two. The remaining equation is this 2 power b divided by 2 power 2 plus 2 power c divided by 2 power 2 equals to 37. Our problem reduced to this equation. Now let's subtract 1 from both sides and this one gets cancelled. So this one gets cancelled and in this side it becomes 36. So our equation becomes this. Now let's multiply both sides by 2 power 2. So we'll multiply both sides 2 power 2. Now let's open the bracket. So if we open the bracket, then this cancels to this cancel to this. So our equation remains 2b plus 2c equals to 36 times 2 power 2. So our whole equation reduced to this. Now let's again factor 36. So we can factor it out. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9. So it can be written as 2 power 2 times 9. Now let's substitute 36 with this number and let's simplify it a bit. So it becomes these 2 power add. So 2 power 4 times 9. And this side 2 power b plus 2 power c. So our whole equation becomes this. Now let's take out 2b from this side. We will take out 2b as we have done earlier in a very similar fashion. We will take out 2b. So inside it becomes 1 plus 2c divided by 2b, and this side becomes 2 power 4 times 9. Now as we have done earlier, this and this should be equal. Because we cannot equate 2 powers b to 9. So 2 power b should be equal to 2 power 4, and that 2 power b equals to 2 power 4, and that gives us b equals to 4. So what we have found is b equals to 4. Now we will substitute b equals to 4. After substitution b equal to 4, we see that this 2 power 4 and this 2 power 4 can be cancelled from both sides by dividing by 2 power 4. So our equation remains 1 plus 2 power c divided by 2 power 4 equals to 9. Now let's subtract 1 from both sides and we get this gets cancelled and this equals to 8. So our equation becomes 2 power c divided by 2 power 4 equals to 8. Now let's multiply both sides by 2 power 4. This side, this 2 power 4 and this 2 power 4 gets cancelled and it remains only 2 power c, and on the right hand side 8 times 2 power 4. Now let's factor 8 also. 2 power c, 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 2 power 3. So we will write 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. Now we can add powers because the base is same, so it becomes 2 power 7, and on the left hand side 2 power c. So this suggests that c should be equal to 7. We should. Let's verify it. So 2 power a is 2, 2 power b is 2 power 4, 2 power c is 2 power 7, 2 power 2 becomes 4, 2 power 4 becomes 16, 2 power 7 becomes 128. 8, 4 and 1.